Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball with a keyboard and controller. First, let's get your keyboard set up. Begin by connecting your keyboard to your PC. Once connected, launch eFootball and head into the game settings. Look for the controller settings or game settings option to begin customizing your key assignments. This allows you to tailor movement and actions to your preference, ensuring a comfortable gaming experience. Now, let's cover some essential keyboard controls. You'll typically use arrow keys or WASD for player movement. It's crucial to assign dedicated keys for actions like passing, shooting, and tackling. Don't forget to configure sprint and special move buttons for quick, responsive play. Remember, consistent practice in training mode is key to developing muscle memory and mastering these controls. Moving on to controllers, setting up your gamepad is straightforward. Start by plugging your game controller into your computer. Verify that your operating system recognizes the device. Then, open eFootball and navigate to the controller settings menu. Here, you can map each controller button to its corresponding in-game action, allowing for precise and intuitive control during matches. To truly master controller play, understand the common layouts. The left analog stick usually controls player movement, while the right is for executing skill moves. Assign face buttons for core actions like passing, shooting, and through balls. Shoulder buttons are typically used for sprinting and defensive maneuvers. Feel free to experiment with various controller layouts to discover what feels most natural and effective for your playstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.